probably can hear the traffic in the background. We're at the Hoover Dam. Well, I'm at the Hoover Dam. You're probably sitting at home watching this. So I missed the coach this morning, a bit of a misunderstanding about pickups. But I had to take a taxi out to where they had breakfast. So without further ado, no more doing. Here's the Hoover Dam. This is like a bridge over it. Apparently it's 1,000 feet. So you see the water behind it. Sort of surrounded by desert. Not sure whether this is in Arizona or still in Nevada. So that white line you can see on the mountains, that's the water level. So it's a fairly, looks like it's fairly low. That's a stunning sight. Wow, so on construction of this dam, it was so hot here. It gets really hot in the summer. Obviously it's in a desert. 300 people died building this, workers who built the dam. But you're allowed to go boating on it. So your boat, this is the drinking water for Las Vegas and some of California. I don't know if you... But later on we're going to Grand Canyon. I'm pleased I did catch the tour, otherwise I wouldn't have had another chance to come here. So as we go, there's quite a few British people on this tour, so that's nice. Let's see you later. We're in the Grand Canyon, just called Eagle Point, and you can see the eagle's wings there. Let's have a look at it. Oh, it is spectacular, isn't it? Oh yeah, the wings are down there. Wow. The birds are catching the thermals. There. So there's a viewing platform. We're going on something called the Skywalk. I don't know what it is, but I imagine it's probably a glass bottom walk. It's really, it's a really impressive place. Just look. Okay, here at 4,000 feet above the Colorado River, this majestic view has been a special point of interest for the Oalupe people, with its beautiful panoramic views of the canyon walls where the heavens and earth meet with such magnificence. This point of the Grand Canyon can be enjoyed by all. There is a tribe around here. But I would think they were a tourist-based tribe. Oh, this is a bit closer to the edge here. Oh, you see down from that viewing platform. Whoa, these birds just come right close to you. This is how the locals live, or they used to live probably. This is traditional. There was a sign in there that said we don't live like that anymore. So I'm catching the eagles on this camera. So I couldn't bring this camera up there, but it doesn't matter, I got it on the phone. So now I'm on the way to Guano Point. They call it that. Oh, I'll do it on that. They call it that because it's where they used to collect, I think it's bat guano. I know it's used for fertilizer, but they probably used it for other things. So apparently that's even better view than this. So let's have a look. Okay, we're probably at the highlight of this tour today. It's Guano Point, and this is your classic Grand Canyon. See the Colorado River winding through it. There's no protection, no protective rope or anything here. Oh, I bet a load of people go down and sit down on these rocks. Don't think I'm going to try that today. Oh, you can go over there. So, wow, I'll pan around. This is the business. Wow. You feel so small here. You can clamber down there. Not exactly rock climbing. Oh, you can climb to the top of that. Well. Oh, I can go through here. Things I do to get you these pictures. These sort of caves down there as well. Views on both sides. Views on both sides, folks. Get your best views. So we also got a lunch to go with the tour, which was really nice. It was like, they called it pot roast. It was like shredded meat, mashed potatoes, corn on the cob, and a roll. I think that was all it was. Oh, I'm a bit close to the edge. I'm talking to you, I'm not concentrating. Yeah, the helicopters are coming over all the time. Not so many eagles. Oh, they don't look like eagles to me, but not so many of them here. Watch for falling rocks. You might hear something if it's going to be falling. But I'm watching, so I'm not looking at you. Not looking at where I'm going, just looking for falling rocks. Right, I'm going to take some more still photos, which I can do from here. This is the actual guano point. There might be a bit of an explanation there. It looks like there will be up there. To you. Oh, I'll read it to you. Once upon a time, during the 1930s, a boater passed through the canyon, discovering a cave which was later found to be rich with guano bat droppings. This material was rich with nitrogen, very useful as fertilizer. The US Guano Corporation had purchased the mining rights in 1957 and began to construct the tramway to extract the guano from the mine, utilising cable that spanned the canyon 7,500 feet, and the use of cable cars for both the guano and the miners. It was mined until early 1960. A few months later, the cable was damaged by an Air Force jet's tail and never to be reopened. The cable head house remains, as well as some remnants of the cave. There's now a tourist destination at Grand Canyon West. Okay, so here's, obviously they had a line that went over to the other side. So I don't know if we're on Grand Canyon East. What are you crying on about? So I think that's probably the cave I just saw now. Oh yeah. Wow, that's a dangerous thing to do. Must have been worth it. Must have been well worth it. Oh, complicated procedure. This is. Oh, this is a nice view from here. Oh, they're crows up there somewhere. Or bats. No, bats won't be out now. So I'm going to take some still photos. I'm more or less not much battery left. So this could be the. Yeah, I always say that, and it's not. Here's part of it as well, and the wheel. I don't know if you can go up there. That probably turn the ropes that run the cable car. Okay, might be the last one. I'll see you soon. Bye. So we're on the skywalk. I'm not allowed to bring my GoPro, but wow, these are eagles, the blackbirds. There's a Colorado River down there. Oh, this is amazing. So they thought to. It's all in your mind. It's all in your mind. It's still, although it's all in your mind, it's still. Oh, this is, it's extremely impressive. Wow. Oh, you've got confidence.
A little bit.
You work here.
Yeah, I've been
it's
up
all
here
in
a
your
little
mind,
bit.
isn't it?
Yeah. Mind over matter, dude.
It's mind
It'll
over
be
matter.
okay, yeah.
It plays tricks on you, though. Your mind.
It does. It does. Your perception is.
Yes.
People's perception is off.
Exactly. So, oh, this is interesting one on this side. Whoa, it goes straight down. So some eagles in underneath this building here. I think that's the only view of the Colorado River from here. Okay, I'm gonna do some.
Okay. We're gonna
I'm
work
gonna do some
around, get you
photos
guys
from there.
15 photos of everything. Okay.